Hello friends, welcome on your favorite channel Speech for Students. This is Amrita and I'm back with, another interesting video. So friends, today we are going to see 5 lines on Shivaji Maharaj. You can use it for your speech or essay as well. So let's get started. 5 lines on Shivaji Maharaj. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I am going to share a speech on the great Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great leader and founder of the Maratha Empire. He was born on 19th February 1630 in Shivneri Fort in Junna city, Pune. He motivated people with a singular goal and a noble purpose of Swarajya. He always believed in equality and justice and accepted all the religions. He was recognized as a great national hero during the Indian independence movement. Jai Shivaji, Jai Bhavani. Friends, I have also given the 10-line speech on Shivaji Maharaj. You can find it in the description below. You can also find the 5-line speeches or essays on various topics in the description below. So friends, by subscribing, click on the bell icon on all notifications, give your big fat thumbs up and share it. So take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.